This video will introduce you to the new structure for employer accounts with Delta Dental of Colorado. The new structure is based on 3 levels: top account, sub-account, and sub-sub-account. Let's define each of these and show an example. The top account is the main account tied to your business. It's represented by your previous group number, preceded by zeros to compose an 11-digit number, like this example. Your sub-account represents billing entities. Sub-account numbers includes your top account number, followed by a separate 10-digit number unique to a billing address. Multiple sub-accounts are only necessary if you require multiple bills. For example, you'd have multiple sub-accounts if you have different billing contacts for certain populations, bills are sent to multiple addresses, or you have more than one billing cycle. Your sub-sub-account represents membership. The sub-sub-account number includes your top account and sub-account numbers, followed by 10 digits ending in the number of eligibility sources you'd use, electronic, manual, or both. With this structure, your membership is tracked by 5 attributes. The new attributes will allow you to sort and report data on your membership. The attributes are employment status, employee type, department, union status, and benefit plan. The new account numbers include a lot of zeros. You'll see them displayed on bills, reports, and enrollment screens in the portal. But if you are calling to talk to a representative, or you are filling out a paper form, you may omit the zeros. If you have any questions about your new account structure, please contact your account manager.